Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got an exciting product to talk about, the Tommee Tippee Closer to Nature Milk Feeding Bib. If you have a little one at home, you'll definitely want to stick around for this review. The Tommee Tippee Closer to Nature Milk Feeding Bib is designed to make feeding time a breeze for both parents and babies. This bib is all about keeping your baby's sensitive skin dry and comfortable during feedings. Let's dive right into the features of this fantastic bib. This bib is crafted from incredibly soft and absorbent fabric, which not only protects your baby's clothing but also keeps their skin dry and rash-free. One of the standout features is the padded collar, which acts as a dribble catcher. It's perfect for absorbing moisture and preventing food drips from reaching your baby's neck, ensuring they stay comfortable throughout mealtime. Putting on and taking off the bib is a breeze, thanks to the convenient Velcro fastening. The bib offers a reversible design, allowing you to switch between a solid color and a chevron pattern to match your baby's outfits. Now, let's talk about how this bib can benefit you and your little one. Gentle on sensitive skin. The unique dribble catcher in these bibs helps absorb moisture and prevents rashes on your baby's sensitive skin. It's perfect for those early milk feedings and teething stages. Made from super soft fabric, this bib is gentle on delicate young skin while working hard to soak up any spills before they can cause discomfort. Suitable for feeding and teething. From milk feeds to teething dribbles, these bibs have got you covered. They come in a handy 2-pack, ensuring you always have one ready to go. Let's quickly go over some technical details. Dimensions. The bib measures 0.67 by 3.5 by 4.82 inches. Item model number 563536. Care instructions. It's recommended to hand wash only. The Tommee Tippee Closer to Nature Milk Feeding Bib is available on Amazon, and the price starts at just $9.29 for a 2-pack. So, it's not only a great addition to your baby's essentials but also budget-friendly. To sum it up, the Tommee Tippee Closer to Nature Milk Feeding Bib is a must-have for parents looking to keep their baby comfortable and dry during mealtime. With its soft, absorbent fabric and innovative dribble catcher, it's a game-changer. That's it for today's review, folks. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful product reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with this bib, leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.